The storm may shake you, but it can't break you. Inside you is a strength more powerful than any challenge. Today, I want to remind you, no matter how dark the night, the sun always rises. This message is for you. If you're tired, stressed, or fighting silent battles no one else sees. Talk about stress, anxiety, and self-doubt. Use relatable lines. We all have moments when life feels overwhelming. When your mind is heavy and your heart feels weak. But remember, pain is temporary. Your strength is forever. Expand on the storm metaphor. Storms don't last forever. They come, they test you, and then they pass. But you remain. Stronger, wiser, unshaken. Every scar, every setback is proof that you survived. Share simple practices. Deep breathing when anxiety rises, writing thoughts to clear the mind, replacing negative self-talk with empowering words. Example, instead of saying, "I can't do this," tell yourself, "I will find a way," because you always do. Motivate with real-life inspiration, generic, no names. Think of every time you thought you couldn't go on, but you did. That's proof. Proof that your strength is bigger than your fear. Confidence isn't about never falling. It's about rising every single time. The storm may shake you, but it will never break you. Inside you lives courage, power, and resilience. Trust it. Use it. Keep moving. And remember, your story isn't over. The best chapters are still waiting to be written. If this message spoke to your heart, hit subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss your daily boost of motivation.